When you develop a crush on someone, you don't always see them for who they really are, but only the shiny and best part. I always look around just in case you are there. The first thing I do upon entering the room is to scan around, hoping you are there too. Love unlocks doors and opens windows that were not even there before. I am usually not shy around people unless you are around. Don't be surprised if you get kidnapped by a fat man in a red suit at Christmas. For all I want for Christmas is you. I have a massive crush on you is what I want you to know. I don't fear rejection because my heart believes that you will not say no. You cannot always wait for the perfect time. Sometimes you must dare to jump. You are the reason for the smile that sit on my face. You are the reason I can be happy on the rainiest of days. A simple brush of your fingers against my hand is enough to send me to the emergency room due to a heart attack. One text message from you is enough to turn my solemn day into a vibrant one. You have got this smile that can brighten up even the darkest corners of the world. You are the reason for the smile that sits on my face. You are the reason I can be happy on the rainiest of days.